behind you, so those miracle berries will probably do well in your greenhouse. They just need to be protected.
They're very pretty. I think there was one.
Yeah.
I saw a fruit on one of them.
Yeah.
Now, Sonia, why are these amazing?
Yeah, so
What's the miracle of this?
So, people that are going through chemo usually have, after a while, they get that metallic taste in their mouth. This fruit, if you coat your mouth with the inside of the fruit, the pulp, it's supposed to get kind of rid, I don't know if it gets completely rid of it, the metallic taste. And it helps you eat a little better if you don't have that metallic taste in your mouth. Also, people that are going through high blood sugar, if you take the fruit, you want to try it?
Yes.
You've tried it before.
I've tried it before.
If you
It's
cut your
like
mouth with the
magic.
pulp of the fruit, about 5 to 10 minutes later,
Right.
yes, everything that you eat or drink that is sour will taste sweet. So you can drink lemonade with no sugar, which is great if you have high blood sugar, or eat a lemon or lime, and it will be sweet.
Oh, it's magical.
And then those we grow in smaller size too. Those can be shipped easily.
And they taste very good as a fruit. All by itself,
Yeah.
it tastes very nice.
Yeah.
It's very
Yeah.
sweet. But I tried vinegar. I drank some apple cider vinegar after.
Yeah.
I just took a shot of vinegar and just drank it straight. And in my mouth, it tasted delicious, and then it burned my throat. It didn't fix my throat, but
Yeah.
I was like,
Just
whoo!
just the flavor was accurate.
But it's very, I mean, we had sour starfruit. The sour starfruit tasted
Sour
like they'd been
starfruit.
dipped in sugar. They were like starfruit candy. And I only ate one of these, and for 20 minutes, everything I ate tasted like candy.
Yep. That's the
Very cool.